मैं हूँ डॉन, मैं हूँ डॉन, मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ डॉन। अरे तुमने जो
खाली जेट जेट और क्या लगा
Well, when it rains, everybody rushes to have dal vada, and they finish off dal vada with tea, hot tea. That's the best pleasure to have whenever it rains in Ahmedabad. Good. This is Gujarat dal vada. This is very famous, and we enjoyed the dal vada very much.
प्रोजेक्टर आती थी. This will be entire sitting area.
Glass. Cool here.
Final area. That will be access to the sky.
Milestone in your life. The blood and sweat which has gone into this.
Obviously, this is a dream project for me. During last 10 years, I was looking for a dream home, and now it is coming to realize me the efforts which I put during 11 years of my working. Whatever the saving I had, throughout my life, I am utilizing here, and that is definitely I am going to enjoy. A home predicts, nature of the person, his working style, his total behavior, his approach toward the society, his love towards the family, group, friends, and enjoyment. Not many things can be predicted by his home.
Absolutely right.
The way he live into a room, or maybe his bathroom can suggest what sort of approach he has towards his own life. So that is what I can say.
Absolutely, I think it's
I
great.
hope-
I think from what we've seen, it's really a dream home, and this is a home when it is through, when it is the whole thing is built up.
Yes.
It is definitely gonna rock.
Yeah.
We look forward to being a part of the celebration.
Yeah, definitely. For that reason, I have kept one multi-purpose room on the second floor, and where we can have wine and dine. I have particularly planned for a little hop and one we can say water tap and ice cube making machine, and maybe we can have wine cupboard.
And what about
And,
some space for belly dancers?
No, it's not the culture which I can adopt right now. Maybe my son can adopt down the lines 20 years. So
Here's the kind of project this is. I'm sure this must have cost a whole lot of money. I'm sure it must have cost a bomb. So what do you think? I'm sure you must have really made sure that you have that kind of money, that kind of moolah with you.
yeah, I mean one thing I would say that it is very happy and very complex when we see someone's bungalow, but the efforts, difficulties he must have faced while arranging this much money, it is appreciable, and a man's heart can be, one saying I have gone through in life, the struggle towards success is enough to fill a man's heart. So
Bravo.
I would say that it's not struggle, but my dream were of that kind, that I was running every day and night to fulfill that. And throughout these last 10 to 11 years, I had been paying lot of home loans. So at last, definitely it has to be of my kind. And approximately 40 to 50 lakhs home loan I have to bear for this project. And but once it is over,
Absolutely.
surely that is worth bearing that kind of tension.
By the way, when do you expect this project to be completed?
It will take at least 6 or 7 months time. Before that, it is not at all possible. ठीक है जाने दो उसको.
So this is my friend Yagnesh, and I'm sure Yagnesh can go on and on about his dream project, and we wish you all and your family all the best, and we hope that by 2010 December we will be here to celebrate the new year.
Yeah.
2011 on
Yeah.
the eve of 2010 December, we want to be here on the terrace to have fun, to have barbecue, and no, I don't think he's going to have belly dancers for us, or maybe he'll oblige. It all depends on him. So this is Abraham Samuel signing out from Yagnesh's dream bungalow, which is under construction, and 2011 we are going to be here for the celebration. Bye.
Thank you for coming here and giving me one boost to complete my dream. Thank you.
You have to. અરે બાપ રે.
શું કહું છું? તો ગાડી તારે લેવી છે કે એમને એમ જવું છે? और एक साइड में बाथरूम अटैच, मतलब साરું છે. ત્યાં બોલવી રહી ના.
Milchini office.
એની પર એક હાથ મરાવી દેવાનો કરીશ. सीरियसली और कॉम्बिनेशन भी अच्छा लिया है उसने. कितना लिया इसने पूरा?
अभी पता नहीं, अभी देगा यार आराम से. 80,000 तो आराम से.